was. So yeah, that was one of the H175s. Operated by North Sea helicopters. Yeah, just Neil's going to be able to see that from here. Just flying along the coast. Oh, the Apache on the left. That, come from Otterburn. Right. Yeah, the veg is G-NHVJ. It's up to 4,800 feet. It just took off from Aberdeen Airport. I don't know, I think that might be going to Norwich, I think. That's the flight route. Yeah, it's not as if it's, I don't think it's going to Humberside Airport. Yeah, because of course you've got North Sea helicopters also based at Norwich too. Of course, so we've also operated there too. Right, and the call sign NHZ601. Right, excellent. Thank you for watching, and bye.